Hi everyone, welcome to Pacific BMW. My name is Matt, a member of the Genius team here, and today we are making a short how-to video on how to pair your smartphone to your BMW. The first thing you're going to do is select Media Radio. You are going to scroll down to Manage Mobile Devices, Connect New Device, and then select either telephone or Bluetooth audio. At this point, the iDrive screen is going to display a 5-digit number, and at this point, you're going to pull out your smartphone, select Bluetooth in Settings, and scroll to the bottom of the screen, which is where you will see the 5-digit code appear. You're going to select it, click Pair, and Allow Contacts. And at this point, the smartphone portion is complete. And now on your iDrive screen, you're going to select OK. Now, if you have an Apple device and your car is equipped with Apple CarPlay, you will be prompted to use Apple CarPlay, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to select Cancel. And at this point, your phone is now connected to your BMW. This has been a video brought to you by Pacific BMW. If you guys have any other questions, please comment below on this video. Until next time, this has been your Pacific BMW Genius team.